Okay, good evening, everybody. It's happy to see you again and to hear from you. Today we are going to discuss about preposition. If there is if the time permit, we will be discussing two topics today: preposition and conjunction. So preposition is a word that connects one thing with another, showing how they are related. Jadi apa itu preposisi? Preposisi adalah kata yang menggabungkan, connects satu hal dengan yang lain, ya, menunjukkan bagaimana satu hal dengan yang lain saling terhubung, ya, atau menghubungkan satu dengan yang lain.
Sorry, Mr. Hendra.
There
Pak
are
Hendra.
three types of preposition here. The first one is preposition of place,
Pak Hendra.
preposition of time, and preposition of movement. Ya, jadi ada tiga tipe preposition di sini. Ada
Pak, suaranya agak kecil Pak ya? Pak Hendra.
Hari ini kurang baik ya.
Pak, suaranya kecil ya?
Suaranya kecil ya? Iya, jaringannya kurang bagus hari ini bisa.
Oh, oke. Ya, suaranya.
Coba saya ulang ya, share ya. Okay, so sorry, we have some connection problems. Ya, jadi so sorry we have a connection problems. Hari ini memang jaringannya sangat jelek ya dari tadi pagi waktu ngajar. Beberapa kali screen sharingnya putus ya, tadi juga tiba-tiba putus. Oke, ini sudah cukup jelas ya, perfect. Okay. Nah, there are three types of preposition. Ya, ada tiga macam preposition: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement. Ya, preposisi tempat, preposition of time, waktu, dan preposition of movement atau gerakan. Ya, mungkin kadang-kadang kalau bahasa Indonesianya kurang pas, mungkin minta maaf ya. Saya tidak begitu menguasai kalau direct translation to Indonesian. Okay, first we are going to discuss about preposition of place, ya, atau preposisi tempat. The function is to indicate the position of a person or an object. Ya, fungsinya adalah to indicate, mengindikasi posisi dari seseorang atau sebuah objek, ya. Preposition usually followed by a noun or a pronoun. Preposition biasanya diikuti dengan sebuah kata benda atau kata ganti orang. Ya, if you still remember pronoun, he, she, it, I, you, we, they are all pronoun. Example of preposition of place are in, on, at. Ya. Contoh dari preposition of place adalah in, on, dan at. Sentence example. Contoh dalam kalimat, my book is in the drawer. Buku saya ada di dalam laci, ya, place. Ada di dalam. Di mana? Di dalam, ya. Preposition of place. Your book is on the desk. Bukumu ada di atas meja tulis. Place. Where is your book? On the desk. Ya, place. Di mana? I teach at school. Saya mengajar di sekolah. Where? At school. Ya, place. Di mana? Di sekolah. Saya mengajar di sekolah. Ya. Okay, second, preposition of time. The function is to indicate the time or a duration of time of an event or activity. Preposition of time fungsinya adalah mengindikasi waktu atau sebuah durasi, duration of time, durasi waktu daripada sebuah event, aktivitas atau peristiwa, ya. Nah, ini kadang-kadang ada orang menyebut ini event, ya. The right way to say is event, peristiwa. Examples of preposition of time: in, on, at, till, until, after, for, during, since, and etc. Ya, masih ada lagi. Okay, sentence example. Contoh kalimat. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Saya biasanya minum kopi di pagi hari, in the morning. I have English class on Monday. Saya punya kelas bahasa Inggris pada hari Senin. My English class is on Monday at 7 o'clock. English class saya pada hari Senin jam 7. Nah, ini penggunaan preposisi, ya. Sometimes you have to memorize, ya. Kadang-kadang kita memang harus menghafal, ya. Kapan menggunakan in, kapan menggunakan on, kapan menggunakan at, ya. Okay, another example. The English class starts 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. Until or till, ya, artinya sama. English class mulai jam 7 sampai jam 8. I will go out after I have finished doing my work. Saya akan keluar setelah saya selesai mengerjakan pekerjaan saya. I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. Saya telah menunggu di sini selama 10 menit. Ya, for 10 minutes. I have been waiting for you since 9 o'clock. Nah, di sini kita bisa lihat perbandingan, perbedaan penggunaan for dan since, ya. Kalau for itu selama, durasi, for 10 minutes. Tapi since ini sejak, ya, since 9 o'clock, sejak jam 9. Ya. I will finish doing my homework during this weekend. Saya akan menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah saya during this weekend, selama pada saat akhir pekan ini. Ya, during means period of time. Ya. Now the third one is preposition of movement. Preposisi gerakan. The function is to show the direction of movement. Fungsinya adalah menunjukkan arah dari sebuah gerakan. Ya, for example, to, from, into, through, over, across, toward. Ya. Nah, contoh-contohnya itu to, from, kepada, dari, into, menuju, ke dalam, through, melewati. Nah, nanti saya punya gambarnya untuk mengetahui perbedaan through sama over sama across ya, and then toward. Now example, it takes 3 hours from Jakarta to Bandung. Membutuhkan 3 jam dari Jakarta menuju ke Bandung. A bird flew into the kitchen through the window. Seekor burung terbang ke dalam, ya, into, ya, direction of movement. Terbang dari luar ke dalam kitchen, ya, through the window, melewati sebuah jendela. The cat jumped over the fence. Kucing itu melompat melewati pagar. Maria fell off her bike. Maria jatuh dari sepedanya. They are building a bridge across the river. Mereka membangun sebuah jembatan melewati sungai. He is walking toward that building. Dia berjalan menuju ke gedung tersebut. Now here I have the picture. So you can see and you can memorize, ya, bisa dilihat dan dipelajari dan dihafal, ya. Nah, preposition of place, at, in, on. So you use at when it comes to a exact place, ya, tempat yang pasti, at college, at home, at reception, at school, at the bottom, at the cinema. Now, for example, if I ask you, where are you? I'm at the office. I'm at home. Yeah, at. Now, in a taxi, in a car, in the sky, in the building or tower. Nah, kenapa not at the building? Nah, bedanya kalau at itu bisa di mana aja, ya. Tapi kalau in berarti kamu ada di dalam, posisinya ada di dalam. In a row, in the newspaper. Row itu barisan, ya, in a row, barisan. In the newspaper, koran. In the garden, di pekarangan rumah, ya, garden. Pekarangan yang ditumbuhi dengan bunga-bunga, garden. Okay, on the way, on the radio, on the page, on a bicycle, on a ship, on a horse. Nah, sedikit tambahan, di sini kan in a taxi or in a car. But when it comes to bus, you say on the bus. Ya. Kalau mobil in a car, kalau bus you say on a bus, ya. Karena posisi bus itu tinggi, jadi memakainya on. Ya. Okay, next. Nah, this is preposition of place. Ya, where is the ball? The ball is behind the box, ya, di belakang. Now, where is the ball? It is in front of the box, ya. Posisinya ada di depan. Where is the ball? Next to the box, ya. Next to artinya beside, di samping. Where is the ball? It's between two boxes, ya. Between, di antara dua kotak. Where is the ball? It's near the box, near, dekat, ya, dekat tapi tidak bersebelahan, ya. So see the difference between next to and near, ya. Kalau next to bersebelahan, dekat, yang tempel, sedangkan near dekat tapi tidak tempel, ya. And then above, ada di atas. Where is the ball? Above the box. Ya, di atas. Where is the ball? below the box, ya. Under the box boleh juga. Where is the ball? In the box. Ada di dalam kotak. Where is the ball? On the box. Nah, ini juga bisa diperhatikan. On and above, ya. If on, berarti posisinya tempel pas di atas, ya. Sedangkan above itu tidak tempel, ya. Misalnya, there is a bird fly above your house, ya. Ada burung terbang di atas rumahmu, ya. Okay, next. Preposition of time and place, ya. Nah, this is time. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the summer, in summer bisa sama. In 1980, ya, untuk tahun. In the 1900s, itu sekitar tahun 1900-an, ya, kalau bahasa Indonesianya seperti itu. In the 17th century, di abad 17, in the Easter holiday, ya, di liburan Easter, Paskah, ya. Now on Monday, ya, kalau untuk hari kita menggunakan on Monday, on Saturday, on June 3rd. Nah, kalau ada tanggalnya berarti kita menggunakan on, ya. Kalau hanya bulan kita menggunakan in, tapi kalau ada tanggal kita menggunakan on. On 1st October 2013, ya, kalau ada tanggalnya, ada harinya, kita menggunakan on, ya. 2013. Bisa juga 2013 bisa, ya. On Christmas Day, on my birthday, on Tuesday evening, ya. Malam Selasa malam hari, ya. And then at 9 a.m. jam, ya, jam itu pakainya at 9 a.m. at 8 o'clock, at 6 p.m. at night, ya, pada malam hari, at night, ya. You don't say in night or in the night, you don't say that, you say at night, pada malam hari, ya. We have English class at night. Kita ada English class pada malam hari. At noon or at midday. Noon, if you remember, jam 12 tepat, itu namanya noon atau midday, ya. At Easter, at Christmas. Nah, kenapa yang di sini ada on Christmas Day. Nah, kalau ada day kita menggunakan on. Tapi kalau tidak ada day, kita sebutnya at, ya, at Easter, at Christmas. Okay, nah this one is a preposition of movement, ya. You can see go up, ya, naik ke atas, go up, go down, ya, ada gerakan ke atas, gerakan ke bawah, ya. Go up, go down, over. Nah, ini yang tadi saya ingin menjelaskan, want to over artinya melewati sesuatu, ya, over. And then to, berarti dari titik A ke titik B, ya, to. And then away from. Kalau to itu menuju, away from berarti menjauh, ya. The opposite, ya, opposite, not opposite, ya. Kadang-kadang orang sebutnya opposite, it's opposite. Opposite of to, menuju, it's away from, menjauh, ya. And then go past, ya, melewati gedung A, ya. Go past building A, ya. Go past the Alfamart, ya, melewati. And then go into, artinya masuk ke dalam, ya. Go into. And then the opposite is go out of, ya, keluar dari, go out of. And then go around, ya, mengitari, ya, go around. On to, Nah, bedanya sama into, kalau into kan masuk ke dalam. Kalau onto artinya ke atasnya, ya. Go onto, ke atasnya. Off artinya bisa jatuh, bisa suruh turun ya, semacam itu ya. Turun atau jatuh ya. Fell off the bike, jatuh dari sepeda. Go across ya, across menyeberang ya. Menyeberang, melewati, go across. Nah, ini go through. Bedanya go through and go over ya. Go through artinya melewati di dalam sesuatu ya. Sedangkan go over kita melewati di atasnya. Ya, the difference between go through and go over. And then go along. Go along means lurus aja. Ya, if someone asks you where is a police station, just go along the street. Di mana kantor polisinya? Go along the street. Lurus aja. Ya, go along the street. Ya, artinya lurus aja. Okay. Now we are going to discuss your exercise book. Okay, unit 10, preposition. Yeah, we have already discussed this. A preposition is a word that connects one thing with another, showing how they are related. Yeah. Now this is example of position of place. There is a big balloon in the sky. Jane is jumping into the pool. The books fell off the shelf. Ada balon besar di udara, in the sky, di langit ya. Jane is jumping into the pool. Jane melompat ke dalam kolam renang. Nah, ini harusnya into preposition of movement harusnya ya. Tapi di sini lebih menitik beratkan ke place. Nah, ini juga sama. The books fell off the shelf. Buku-buku itu jatuh dari rak buku ya. Nah, ini juga harusnya preposition of movement ya. A preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. And then we have here some prepositions are used to talk about time. Yeah, preposition of time. Many shops close on Sundays. We watched the World Cup game until 2 a.m. Oh ya, yeah. Many shops closes on Sunday. Banyak toko tutup pada hari Minggu. We watched the World Cup game until 2 a.m. Kami nonton World Cup game sampai jam 2 pagi. Ya, AM. The trees lose their leaves during winter. Pohon-pohon kehilangan atau gugur ya, musim gugur during winter. Pada saat musim winter. Apa ya ini namanya ya? Salju ya, thank you. We always wash our hands before meals ya. Kami selalu cuci tangan sebelum makan ya, before, sebelum. And then here we get up in the morning, we go to bed at night. Yeah, at night, remember, in summer, the movie starts at 2 in the afternoon. Ya, jam 2 at 2 di sini jam 2 in the afternoon. Autumn begins in September, ya, bulan pakai in. They were married in 1990, tahun di dalam. Joe arrived after me. Joe tiba setelah saya. It has not rained at all for 2 weeks. Ya, selama 2 minggu. Ya, sudah tidak hujan selama 2 minggu. Breakfast is served at 7 o'clock. Ya, jam at 7. Kevin and Joe have been in the same class since first grade. Kevin and Joe sudah bersama-sama di kelas yang sama sejak kelas 1. Dad gets home about 6 in the evening. Nah, kalau about di sini berarti lebih kurang ya. Kalau at 6 artinya tepat, about lebih kurang ya. Okay, now we have come to exercise. If you want to participate, please raise your hand. And as usual, I encourage those who wants to participate. I encourage you to participate, yeah, to answer the questions. And if you have questions, you also can ask. Okay, let's see who is the first lucky one. And the first lucky one is Veronica. Hello, Veronica.
Good evening, Sir Hendra.
Hello, good evening. Could you please speak louder?
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Is
How
it
are you
clear
today,
now?
Veronica? Yes, it's clear now.
I'm good, sir.
You are good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, are you ready for answering number 1?
Yes, sir. But may I ask one question before?
Oh, okay.
Sometimes people said I'm in the school, but sometimes they said I'm at the school. What is the differences, sir?
Okay. The right one is say, I am at school. Where are you now? I'm at school. Okay. But where? Ya, saya ada di sekolah. Okay. Tapi di mana tepatnya? Okay. I'm in the class. I'm in the class. 6th grade class. Ya, for example. Saya ada di dalam kelas. Ya, I'm in the toilet. I'm in the principal's room. Yeah, I'm at school, but in the principal's room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Get it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Number 1, the man fell off the ladder.
Okay.
The preposition in the sentence is fell off.
Fell off. Okay, right. Thank you, Veronica.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, hello, Mega.
Hi, sir. Good night. Good evening.
Good evening. You want to say goodbye to me?
No. I mean
No,
evening.
okay. All right.
Okay, sir. I have some question to ask before I answer the question.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I want to know when we will use in the and when we will use on. In the and in a. Maybe like in the class and in a class. What is the difference?
In a class or in the class?
Mm-mm.
Is that your question?
Yeah.
Okay, so your question is about articles then, not preposition. Yeah. In a class or in the class. A or the. Now, what is the difference if you remember? A is general, yeah, umum. The is specific. For example, like this. Mega, let's go and eat in a restaurant. Mega, let's eat in the restaurant. Now, what is the difference? A restaurant or the restaurant? Now, when I say, let's eat in a restaurant, mari kita makan di sebuah restoran. Artinya, di restoran mana aja. Ya, in a restaurant. But when I say, let's eat in the restaurant, nah, artinya, you understand which restaurant that I talking about.
Oh, okay.
Ya, jadi spesifik.
Okay.
Jadi artinya kita udah biasa makan di sebuah restoran, anggap restoran Padang. Ya, udah setiap kali makan siang pasti ke sana deh. Nah, jadi mau makan di sana lagi. Then you say, let's eat in the restaurants. Artinya restoran yang kamu tahu, saya tahu.
Okay.
Ya, tapi if in a restaurant, it means restoran mana aja. Di restoran mana? Yang mana aja deh. Nah, in a restaurant. Yeah, by the way, it's restaurant. Yeah, it's not restaurant. Yeah. Okay, continue. Number 2.
Okay, so number 2, we have dinner at 7:30 p.m. It's a preposition of time.
Okay, which one?
Huh? Preposition type at.
Oh, at. Okay, yes, you are right. Thank you, Mega.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Lisa. Hello, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. How about you, sir?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, you want to answer questions number 3?
Okay. Tom was born on a Friday. The preposition is on.
On, yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, in my opinion, supposed to be Tom was born on Friday, not on a Friday. Yeah. Okay, next, Young.
Number 4. There
Hello,
are
Young.
7 days in a week.
Okay.
Preposition is in.
In, yes. Thank you, Young.
Thank you.
Hello, Rudy.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you today?
Have you? I am fine. Have you dinner?
Okay, have you had your dinner? Say,
Oh.
have you had your dinner?
Have you had dinner?
Your dinner?
Your dinner. Have you had
Your
your dinner?
Yes. Apakah sudah makan malam? Yes, I have had my dinner.
Okay.
Thank you for asking.
Good.
Good.
Which number, sir? I am
Number
forgot.
5.
Number 5. Sue is running after her dog. The preposition in the sentence is after.
After, yes, correct. What is the meaning? Sue is running after her dog.
Sue berlari setelah anjingnya.
Ya, betul. Oke. Thank you, Rudy.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, Desmi.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you today?
Question number 6, yeah. Several people are waiting at the bus stop. So the preposition is at.
At, yes.
Yes.
Right. Okay, read one more time.
Several people are waiting at the bus stop.
Okay. Thank you, Desmi.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Linda, hello.
Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right. Okay. Number
Number 7?
please. Yes.
Okay. I received a letter from Sarah yesterday. The preposition is from.
From. Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Maria. Hello, Maria.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it your first time, Maria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Welcome.
Yes, thank you, sir.
How are you today, Maria?
I'm feeling good today, sir.
Feeling good. By the way, where are you from?
I come from Nganjuk, East Java, sir.
West Java. Okay. Happy to hear from you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay. Now number 8, please.
Why are you still in bed? Preposition is in.
The preposition is in. Yes, you are right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, in bed. In bed means still sleeping. Ya, masih tidur. Okay, next exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the box. Next, Lily, hello.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening. How are you today, Lily?
Very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, number 1, please.
Number 1, the bus arrived at 80 at 80 at 80:30 a.m.
a.m. Okay. Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. The bus arrived at 8:30. Ya, 8:30. Okay, next, Friska.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening.
How are you today, sir?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Okay, it's good then. Now, number 2.
The children are swimming in the pool.
Yes, swimming in the pool. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Hello, Al-Haj.
Hello, sir.
Hello, is it your name, Al-Haj?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Is it right, your name, Al-Haj?
Yes, my name is Al-Haj.
Is it your first time?
Yes, this is my first time to answer.
Okay, the first time to answer the questions. Okay. Thank you for participating. Okay, please, questions number 3.
Number 3, okay. There is a picture in the wall, on the wall.
On the wall, yes. There is a picture. Say picture.
There is a picture
On the wall.
on the wall.
Okay, thank you, Al-Haj.
Okay, welcome. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Chin Chin.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, number 4, please.
Number 4, there is a fence around the house.
There is a fence around the house. Okay, what is the meaning?
Ada pagar mengelilingi rumah itu.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Chin Chin.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, next, Yeni. Yeni. Sorry. Yeni, sorry.
Okay, hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
How are you,
you
sir?
today? Fine,
I'm
thank
very
you.
good, thank you.
Okay, happy to hear that. Now,
Okay,
number 5.
number 5. Granny is sitting near fire.
Near
Near?
fire. Okay,
Yes, is it right?
How do you say that in Indonesian? How you
Uh,
translate to Indonesian?
Nenek sedang duduk di dekat api, di dekat perapian mungkin ya.
Yeah, so the right answer is by the fire.
Oh, by the fire. Oh, okay.
Ya, duduk dekat-dekat
Not
perapian.
near?
Not near.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Nah, harusnya ada kata the di sini. By the
Yeah, yeah. Near by the fire. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Okay, Mega.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Number 6, please.
Harold is hiding blank the chair. Behind the chair.
Is hiding behind the chair. Yes, you are right.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Ridwan.
Hello, sir.
Okay, how are you today?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Now, number 7.
Number 7, Jake climbed on the beach stand. Jake climbed on the beanstalk.
Okay, so the answer is Jack climb up. Ya,
Climb.
panjat ke atas. Jack climb up.
Climb up. Oh, yeah.
Beanstalk.
Beanstalk.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Ridwan.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, next, Veronica.
Yes, sir.
Number 8.
We divided the candy.
We divided the candy.
Up, sir.
Up.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
how do you translate to Indonesian? Kami
membagikan.
Membagi
permen.
Permen.
Between us, sir.
Oke. Bahasa Indonesia kan mungkin di antara kita ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the right answer actually is among.
Ya. Oh ya, sorry, among.
Among. Tapi
Ya.
di sini nggak ada pilihannya among, ya. Nah,
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between and among? Kalau between itu 2, ya.
Kalau among lebih dari 2,
among
sir.
lebih dari 2.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Veronica.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, Leonardo.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hello. Good evening. Number 8, please.
Number 8.
Number 9, sorry.
Oh, number 9. I divide into the river.
Okay, how do you translate to Indonesian?
Saya menyelam di dalam sungai.
Ke dalam.
River.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Read it one more time.
I divide in the river.
Okay, you say I dived.
Oh, I dived.
Dived into the river. Say.
I dived in the river.
Into
the river.
Yeah, that's a preposition of movement. Ya, dive artinya menyelam. Ya. Oke, thank you Leonardo.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, next Josephine. Josephine.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Josephine. How are you
Yes,
today?
fine. I try to answer number 10. Don't go too near the edge.
Okay, don't go too near the edge. Edge.
Edge.
Okay. Read one more time.
Don't go too near the edge.
What is the meaning?
Jangan pergi terlalu mendekati ketepian.
Ketepian, yes. Say answer. Josephine.
Near. The preposition is near.
Yes, correct. Okay, thank you, Josephine. Okay, now we are going to conjunction. We still have 15 minutes, yeah. Before we continue the exercise, let me show you the material first, the PowerPoint. Okay, now we have come to Unit 11, conjunction. Now, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a linking word, ya. Kata penghubung. Examples and, or, but, dan, atau, tetapi. The function to connect words or sentences, untuk menghubungkan kata atau kalimat. Sentence example, contoh. I bought a book and a pen at market yesterday. Saya membeli sebuah buku dan sebuah pen di pasar kemarin. And conjunction. Do you like blue pen or black pen? Kamu suka pen biru atau pen hitam? He is smart but lazy. Dia pintar tapi malas. Okay, conjunction of time. Examples: before, after, as, when, while, until, since. Now the function is tells when something happens. Ya, conjunction of time fungsinya tells when something happens. Memberitahu kapan sesuatu terjadi. Ya, sentence example. I go to sleep after I have brushed my teeth. Saya pergi tidur setelah I have brushed my teeth. Saya selesai menggosok gigi, ya. Before I go to sleep, I brush my teeth. Ya, bisa juga. Sebelum pergi tidur, saya gosok gigi dulu, ya. Lebih kurang seperti itu. As it was getting dark, I decided to go home. Seiring dengan waktu yang semakin gelap, ya, I decided to go home. Saya memutuskan untuk pulang. He was shocked when I told him the truth. Dia kaget ketika saya memberitahu dia kebenaran. Please get me some drinks while you are at the supermarket. Belikan saya atau bawakan saya minuman ketika kamu ada di supermarket. Ya. Nah, the difference between when and while. Ya, mungkin kalau bahasa Indonesianya sama-sama ketika ya. Kalau while itu saat yang bersamaan. Ya. While you are at the supermarket, mungkin kalau bahasanya kita mungkin mumpung ya. Mumpung kamu ada di supermarket, tolong deh beliin apa gitu. Ya. I will wait for you until you have finished eating. Saya akan menunggu kamu sampai kamu selesai makan. Ya, until. I have been teaching English since 2006. Saya sudah mengajar bahasa Inggris sejak 2006. Okay. The materials finished. Okay, a conjunction is a linking word such as and or but. Yeah, conjunctions are used to connect words or sentences. Yeah, example, the animals is large but timid. Binatang itu besar tapi jinak, timid. Is this a sheep or a goat? Apakah ini seekor domba atau kambing? It's cold, wet, and windy today. Dingin, basah, dan windy, berangin. A conjunction may link two or more than two words or sentences. The words before, after, as, when, while, until, since are also conjunctions. They tell when something happens, so they are called conjunction of time. Ya, yang tadi sudah dijelaskan. Maggie could play the piano before she was 5. Maggie dapat memainkan piano sebelum berumur 5 tahun. I always brush my teeth after I have had my breakfast. Saya selalu sikat gigi setelah saya selesai sarapan. After he began exercising regularly, Jerry became healthier. Setelah dia rajin berolahraga secara teratur, regularly, secara teratur, Jerry became healthier. Jerry menjadi lebih sehat. You have grown taller since I saw you last. Kamu semakin tinggi sejak terakhir kali kita bertemu atau melihat. Ya. Okay. We have 2 exercises here. So hopefully we can finish. Yeah. Okay. Again, if you want to participate, please raise your hand. I encourage those who haven't tried, you may try to participate. Yeah. Encourage untuk berpartisipasi. Ya. Okay. Megawati.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Megawati.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening. Exercise 1, complete these as sentences with and, but, or. Okay, number 1.
Okay, number 1. I asked for some bread and butter.
Yes, I asked for some bread and butter.
Sir,
yes.
Some bread, is this there need some and put s after the bread?
Why not some breads, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, bread is uncountable.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ya, Yeah, bread is uncountable, so you don't say some breads. Yeah, some bread and butter, roti dan mentega. Okay, next, Johnny. Hello. Hello, Johnny.
Hello, sir.
Okay, are you ready for number 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. and Mrs. Chen have 3 children.
All right, Mr. and Mrs. Chen.
Chen.
Okay, thank you, Johnny.
You're welcome.
Okay, next. Rudy.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Number
number
3.
3.
Maggie is a good singer or but a poor dancer.
Right, you are right. Maggie is a good singer, penyanyi yang bagus, tapi
But a poor dancer.
a poor dancer, penari yang kurang baik.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rudy.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, Linda.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Number
number
4.
3. Number 4.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, but it's still November now. It's too early. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, next, Grace.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Grace.
Hello, sir.
Please
Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening. Please, number 5.
Okay, number 5. Is their new baby a boy or a girl?
All right, a boy or a girl. Thank you, Grace.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Melvina. Melvina. Hello. Hello, Melvina.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Melvina, number 6, please.
The dictionary has 1,000 words or 200 and 200 drawings.
Yes. Okay, how do you say that in Indonesian? The dictionary?
Kamusnya mempunyai 1.000 kata dan 200 gambar.
Okay. Thank you, Melvina. Artsy. Hello, Artsy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 7, please.
Number 7. Sue is taller than Nat, but shorter than Mike.
Okay. Sue is taller than Nat, but shorter than Mike. How do you say that in Indonesian? Sue.
Sue tinggi daripada Nat, tapi lebih pendek daripada Mike.
Okay. Thank you, Artsy.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, next, Sufi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 8, please.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you going by train? Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, number 8, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, hello.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, number 8. Are you going by train or by bus?
Okay, are you going by train or by bus?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sophie.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. Tony?
Ya.
Ya, kita selesaikan ini ya, exercise 2 ya, tanggung nih.
Oke, boleh. Silakan.
Oke, thank you. Oke, teman-teman, kita selesaikan ya 7 more numbers. 7 7 kalimat lagi. Okay, next Ida.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Exercise 2, number 1.
Jack always brushes his teeth after he has eaten a meal.
Okay. After he has eaten a meal. Thank you, Ida.
Has eaten.
Hello, Titik.
Hello, sir.
Okay, number 2, please.
Okay, for number 2, it started to rain while the children were playing in the garden.
Okay, it started to rain when the children were playing in the garden.
Oh, when? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Not well. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Yenny.
Okay,
Okay, number 3.
number 3. Let's go home before it gets dark.
Okay, let's go home before it
Before
gets
it
dark.
gets dark. Yes.
Yes, sebelum
thank you.
hari menjadi lebih gelap. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay, hello, Licha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4, give this letter to Annie when you see her.
When you see her, yes.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir.
Okay, Ashari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 5.
Number 5, yes. She has known Jack since he was a child.
Yes, since he was a child. Sejak dia masih kecil.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Ashari.
Yes, you're welcome, sir.
Okay, Mega.
Yes,
Number
sir.
6.
Yeah, the party began at 8 p.m. and lasts before midnight.
Began at 8 and lasted until midnight. Ya,
Okay, thank
mulai
you.
jam 8 sampai tengah malam.
Sampai, oh ya.
Okay, thank you, Mega. Okay, last one, Friska.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Alice.
number 7.
Okay. Alice looked unhappy since she walked in.
Okay, Alice looked unhappy as she walked in.
Oh, okay.
Ya, jadi sambil jalan, mukanya itu udah mesem-mesem gitulah. Ya.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, this is the end of our lesson for today. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining this class and see you again on Wednesday. Mr. Tony?
Oke, thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Ya.
Ya, sahabat kelas, terima kasih atas kehadirannya. Kita ketemu lagi di hari Rabu ya.
Thank you, Mr.
Good evening, everybody.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, Mr.
Good night.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Good night.
Bye, sir.
Everyone.